Let me go with the problem number 23. So 3 prizes are to be distributed in quiz contest. Right. The value of the second prize is 5/6 of the value of the first prize, and the value of the third prize is 4/5 that of the second prize. If the total value of the 3 prizes is 150 rupees, find the value of each prize respectively. Okay, so let us go with this way. Let the value of first prize be x. Fine. So then the value of the second prize is equal to, so value of the first prize, that is into 5 by 6, that is nothing but 5x by 6. This is the value of the second prize. So value of the third prize, what they have mentioned, the value of the third prize is 4/5 of that of the second prize. The second prize value we know, that is 5x by 6 into 4 by 5. If you simplify, 5 will be cancelled. So 2s are 3s, that is 2 by 3x. Now, if the total value of the 3 prizes is rupees 150, so what happens here? First prize is x plus second prize is 5x by 6 and third prize is 2x by 3 is equal to 150. We have to find the value of first, second and third. Let us take LCM here. For 6 and 3, the LCM is 6, right now. So 6x plus 5x, correct, plus, so 3 2s are 2 into 2 is 4x is equal to 150. So 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4 is 15x is equal to 150 into 6. So therefore x is equal to 150 into 6, that divided by 15. Simplify it, this will become 10. So 10 into 6 is 60. The value of x is 60. So therefore the first prize is equal to how much? The value is x, which is nothing but 60 rupees. The second prize is equal to, what is that? 5x by 6, which is nothing but 5 into 60, that divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 tens are, it is 50 rupees. And the value of the third prize is equal to how much? 2 by 3x. What is this? That is 2 into 60 by 3. 3 ones are 3 20s are, which is 20 into 2 is 40 rupees. So first, second, third is 60 rupees, 50 rupees and 40 rupees. So if you add, you are going to get 150, right? 60 plus 40, 150. Yes, our answer is right. This is the answer.